Hi, welcome back. During geometry, we will be using software called GeoGebra. This week, you're just going to be learning how to use the software by drawing a house. Be creative, follow the directions, and you could watch the following video and then complete the assignment. This is a great way to learn about attributes using technology. Let's talk polygons. So if you look at some of the ideas of what's happening in the different grades for polygons, in kindergarten, children describe objects in their environment using the names of shapes. In first grade, they begin to draw and reason about shapes using defining attributes. For example, squares have 4 sides. In second grade, we identify more complex polygonal shapes such as pentagons and hexagons by name. Let's make some observations here. So here I have a figure and there's polygons on the left and not polygons on the right. What do you notice about polygons versus not polygons? What attributes or characteristics do polygons have versus not polygons? Some observations you might notice is it seems like polygons have straight sides. It also seems like polygons are closed figures. The shapes in polygons are only 2 dimensionals. But what about that one right here circled? Why is it not a polygon? Because it does have straight sides. It is closed. It is 2-dimensional. Maybe it's not a polygon because the lines cross. It's possible. One way to introduce a new concept is making a Freyer model. You may have made these in the past. So in the center, you would write polygon. And then you would write definitions, characteristics, and I have some examples and non-examples. But you should draw 2 more examples of non-polygons and 2 more examples of polygons. And then think of what characteristics of a polygon based on your examples and your non-examples. What are some characteristics of a polygon? Well, we talked about them. 2-dimensional, straight sides, in other words, no curves. Closed shape, line segments do not cross. So it contains a single path if you trace it with your pencil. You could start and end at the same place, but you should never cross over the figure again. So when you define a polygon, instead of telling children geometric definitions, they will better remember if they come up with their own definitions based on examples and non-examples. This may be a challenge, but it's an important piece to make students make connections. So here's some list of some polygons: triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and dodecagon. So sketch, or you could find these figures and cut and paste them. Once you do that, check your sketches. They don't have to look just like these as long as they would contain these attributes. So a triangle has 3 sides, quadrilateral has 4 sides, pentagon has 5, a hexagon has 6, heptagon 7. Sometimes heptagons are called septagons as well. Octagons have 8, nonagons have 9, decagons have 10, and dodecagons have 12.